The frustration, no one was watching. The frustration, no one was watching. And today in this video I'm going to end that tragedy forever. I used to spend hours creating content. I'd shoot, edit, polish every little detail, upload it, and nothing. Just a handful of views. Maybe one like, if I was lucky. No comments. No shares. Honestly, I felt like I was invisible. And the worst part, I didn't know what was the wrong I'm doing. I thought my videos were good. I thought I was doing everything right, but clearly, I wasn't. I doubt maybe I'm just not good enough. I started questioning myself. Was my content boring? Am I wasting my time? I even thought of quitting. Because what's the point of creating if no one discovered it? But deep down, I knew the content wasn't the problem. I just didn't know how to get it visible. Now the discovery, what is YouSEO? Then one night I became frustrated and scrolling. Then boom, I stumbled across YouSEO. It was described as an SEO tool for creators. I'd heard of SEO, but honestly, I didn't think it applied to YouTube or short videos. So I was desperate, so I gave it a shot. Learning with YouSEO, now found the missing piece. That's when everything changed. YouSEO showed me what I was missing all this while. The right keywords. How to write engaging titles. How to pick better tags. Even how to design thumbnails that people actually click on. It was like a blueprint for visibility. For the first time, I felt like I had a real strategy. The shift of everything started to change. I applied what YouSEO taught me. I tweaked a few titles. Updated my tags. Changed my thumbnails based on what was trending. I posted again, and waited. This time, the results were different. Views started climbing. Comments showed up from real people. I even gained new subscribers, not bots, real followers who actually cared about my content. Now the growth from invisible to seen week after week, my reach kept growing. Videos that used to get 20 views were now hitting hundreds, even thousands. I started appearing in search results. My audience was finally finding me. All because I stopped guessing and started using YouSEO. Why it matters, this changed everything. YouSEO didn't just boost my numbers, it gave me confidence. It reminded me why I started creating in the first place. To share something meaningful. To build something real. And now, I actually have the audience to do that. Final message from me to you: so if you're stuck like I was, feeling invisible, overlooked, just know you're not alone. And it's not that your content isn't good enough. You just need the right people to see it. That's what YouSEO helped me do. And it can help you too. Try YouSEO now to take your content to the next level. Stop creating in the dark. Start growing with strategy. Start growing with YouSEO. Check the bio for the link to download this amazing YouSEO app. Try it today. And thank me later.